Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. #Make the move 978 Signet Drive, the Carrera floor plan. 6 beds, 5 full plus 2 half baths, office, 5,280 construction. Located on one of MiraBay's premium oversized lots, this custom 6-bedroom, 7-bath home with 5,284 square feet is the only Carrera model with this upgraded Craftsman-style elevation. Built in 2023 and extensively enhanced by the current owners, it's move-in ready with upgrades totaling over $300,000. The home includes a downstairs primary suite, additional guest suite, in-law with private bath and lanai access, a dedicated office, upstairs theater room, and both upstairs and downstairs bar areas. Inside, the home features upgraded engineered hardwood flooring on the main level and stairs, 13-foot ceilings, upgraded metal stair railing, and extensive custom lighting and hardware throughout. The chef's kitchen includes a large quartz island 5-burner gas range, double ovens, upgraded cabinetry, ceramic backsplash, walk-in pantry, and a customized butler's pantry with wine fridge and glass racks. Plantation shutters and upgraded mirrors, vanities, and curtain hardware were added throughout the home. A California closet system is installed in the primary suite and 2 ensuite bedrooms. The spacious living room and outdoor patio both include built-in ceiling speaker systems, and the theater room is pre-wired for an 8.2 surround sound setup. All bedrooms have ensuite or Jack and Jill bathrooms. A second-floor balcony extends the entertaining space, while the upper level also includes a full bar with beverage fridge and an additional laundry hookup. Outdoors, a screened enclosure surrounds the 36x26 pebble tech pool and spa with 2 sun shelves, LED-lit bubblers, and a shelf stone deck. The upgraded dock features a 20,000-pound lift and electric remote, suitable for boats up to 40 to 45 feet. The home includes full gutters, security camera system, upgraded landscaping, and garage ceiling storage systems. There are 3 AC zones with 2 units for efficient climate control. MiraBay is a waterfront community with a 135-acre lagoon for boating, paddleboarding, and kayaking, plus a clubhouse with 2 resort-style pools, lap lanes, water slide, cafe, lounge, basketball.